So in this video it's about the password lock, and I'm using here the keypad and the LED, which is this one is LED, and then I am using 220 ohms, which is I improvise, which I don't have array module. I don't have that. I don't have that thing. So I'm gonna use this basic one, which is the LED and the 220 ohms. So this green actually is connected to the ground, which is this is -1, and then this the yellow one, it's positive, which is connected to the 220 ohms. Now what I did is, if I entered a wrong password, like a random password, now this hash actually will entered. Now it gives an access denied, so it actually it entered it shows the LED red. Now if I try to make the password correct and then I enter this, and actually it says access granted. Now basically it's because I make the LED into low, and then if it's wrong or incorrect, it becomes high. So I'm gonna explain to you the code, which is in my part. I have this password is connected with 1 2 3 4, and then the row and columns. Now here in my setup, which is actually, you guys can see the enter password, the outputs in the LCD, and then I have the chart key, which is the keypad, which is string. Like when you enter a number or a letter, it actually get this. Now it says right here, if key, which is the hash, it actually entered the password. Now it will actually enter the password if it's correct. Check if input and the password is correct. Now if it's correct, it actually gives an LED low, which is it's access granted. That's what the output you guys see. And then for else, if it's wrong, then it gives the access denied, and then I make the LED pin into high. And then with another delayed, so like 2 seconds delayed, it will clear the LCD, and then it'll go back to the enter password, and I make sure the LCD is low, make sure it's closed, and then the input will become string, which is empty string. Now else, if I enter this star, it actually cleared my, or like it actually cleared the output, the input. Let's say I entered any letter. Now if I press this star, it's actually cleared, and then go back. Now I actually don't need the LCD, the LCD digital pin, but I have to include it because it might be the digital LED pin into high, so maybe the default will be high, so I make it low. So yeah, that's the input, and then else, then the input will be star key, which is it continue in entering a number. So yeah, that's the code. So I improvised this kind of password, which is I don't have the array module.